Hello, this is Patrick with New Jersey's Outdoor Adventures YouTube channel. I'm here in Allaire State Park, Farmingdale, New Jersey, on the multi-use trails, mountain bike trails, hiking and horseback riding. And I've passed this about 100 times, but I never really stopped to take a look at it. It is over 100 years old. It's an abandoned piece of farm equipment. See, about 100 years ago, this was all fields here. And now it's abandoned, so the trees have grown. You can see they're not very mature trees. But this is actually doing very well here. You know, none of this stuff spins here. You can see the old square head bolts. This is the back wheel. That would be the front. Somehow, maybe it did some corn crop. But it's very well built. I just looked for like some type of label or marking that says what it is or what year, who makes it. I haven't found a maker's mark yet. You can see here the chain, and there's a drive gear system. And look at the wheels. It's got little studs here, I guess, for grip. Those are the ends of the spokes. You can see here how this part nearly rusted out and it's all sunken into the ground. This is the end of the axle. I can't imagine how much this would have cost back in the day. And it looks like we're going to stay a little bit back because there is a wasp nest in there. So this is the part that would have probably been pulled by the horse. See here some type of axle extension, maybe for some other accessory that went off to the side. And maybe that would have been where the seat was, where that bolt is, that little stand there that rusted out. But beautiful piece of equipment here. You can see here how this particular spoke rusted out. There's little numbers on the end of the axle. Well, this is Patrick with New Jersey's Outdoor Adventures YouTube channel. Please like this video, comment, share, subscribe. I'd love it. And if you have anything you would like to share about this piece of equipment to help educate our viewers, please do so. Thank you.